Hi, welcome to Learn with Pami Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bracelet with your name using letters. So these are the materials. Let's begin. So we have our letters, we have our lava beads. So the first thing is to sort the names that you want out. So I want Pamilenrin. So you can see I'm arranging the letters one after the other because I need to form the name Pamilenrin. So now I'm done forming the name. Cut a sizable length of stretch cord, fold it into two, then use a small fishing line, insert it and use it as a needle, just as I'm doing in this video. Then you insert your beads into the fishing line and slide it down onto the stretch cord. And then you continue inserting the beads. Now I'm done inserting beads on one side, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the letters one after the other until I'm done with inserting the letters. So I'm done inserting the letters. This is how it looks. And I'm going to slide my beads down to have more space. So I'm going to start inserting the bead on the other part. And then when I'm done, I will tie my beads. Do not forget to arrange your work before you tie it. So if you have watched up to this stage, kudos to you, well done. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get to see more video anytime I post it. And more so, any projects that you like to see, put it in the comment section and I'll make a video about it. So see you in my next video. Bye.